No, that's my spot. I made tea.
I don't want tea.
Well, it's not your tea, it's my tea.
Then why'd you tell me?
Because it's a conversation starter.
It's a lousy conversation starter.
Well, we're conversing, aren't we? Checkmate.
Hi, Sheldon.
Hi.
Hi, Penny. Sheldon, what is wrong with your eyes?
Oh, it's a long story.
Oh, Shelly's afraid of
Penny!
What? It's okay to be afraid of fireflies.
You're afraid of fireflies?
Has says the guy who can't even utter a word in a bar full of single women.
Who said?
And who would not freak out by creatures who set their bum on fire?
No, they don't set their bomb on fire.
Yeah, it is called bioluminescence,
And it's a chemical that they use called luciferin,
which combines with oxygen to form oxyluciferin,
which also makes an enzyme called luciferase.
which acts as a catalyst in setting the bomb on fire.
And it combines with ATP to form luciferin, adenolite, and pyrophosphate.
And luciferin adenolite combines with oxygen to form oxyluciferin and adenosine monophosphate. But Shelly, I don't understand. How are you scared of something that only has a wavelength of 510 and 670 nanometers?
Ah, fascinating. So it's just chemistry. There's no bombs on fire. It's just the chemical luciferin and how it combines with oxygen to form oxyluciferin and the enzyme luciferase, which acts as a catalyst. So the real reaction occurs when the luciferin combines with ADP and forms luciferyl adenylate and pyrophosphate. And then the luciferyl adenylate reacts with oxygen to form oxyluciferin and adenosine monophosphate, which in turn ends up giving off light. Hello, Penny? I can't sleep.
What do you want, Sheldon?
Can you sing me soft, kitty?
Do I have to?
Well, I suppose we could talk.
No.
Soft kitty, warm kitty, little ball of fur. Happy kitty, sleeping kitty, purr, purr, purr.
Sleepy now.
Yeah, I was going.